Here is a truth nobody shares with MSME, that growth is not about adding more customers or adding more products or even putting more hard work. The reason why MNCs scale and MSME stays stuck is simple. MNCs run on system and MSME runs on people. That is the only reason why you can see any MNC CEO can easily take a month off. Any brand you can think of, Amazon, Microsoft, Dell, their CEOs can easily take a month off and the profit is still flowing. What about you? Can you even imagine turning off your phone for one day and not to worry about business? That's why today I will be sharing 5 systems with you which MNCs use and you can easily adapt without the corporate budget and the jargons which they use. They are going to be pretty simplified for you. Stay tuned till the end and I will share a bonus secret with you that those CEOs swear by. System 1. In large corporates, they use this heavy term strategic portfolio management. What does that mean? So any new initiative is assessed on either return of investment, resource alignment, and the long-term alignment. If the criteria does not fit, the initiative is dropped. So in short, nothing moves without the framework. In MSME, how that happens? One fine day, founder wakes up and decide, let's try this. And the end result, money and resources all scattered. So simple hack for MSME, how to address that. Use a 2-column checkbox. Money now, long-term growth. If your new initiative does not fit into any of these 2 boxes, drop. If it fits, move ahead. This one simple step will put your focus on growth and stops you from chasing every shiny distraction. So there is another jargon which MNCs use very often: succession planning and bench strength. What does this mean? For every critical resource, they have a backup trained and ready. How it works in MSME? Only founder knows the whole picture. And if a key supervisor leaves, the whole business collapses. And that's why founders end up in firefighting every day. How you can address it? It's pretty simple. Take your key 3 resources and make them rotate their job. Let them learn each other's job for a week. At the end of the week, sit together and ask what worked, what did not. And that's how over time you will build backup for your critical resources. And that's when it will give you freedom and business won't collapse, won't depend upon single person. So there is another term which MNCs very frequently use: standard operating procedures, compliance framework, and process libraries. Sound boring, but this is the backbone of consistency. Story in MSME is totally different. One person knows billing, another one knows how to dispatch, and if one of them leaves, founder has to jump in. So here is your simple fix. Take out your phone every Friday, record a video of a task, be it how to make a bill, how to check the inventory, or how to release a purchase order, and share that on a shared drive. Over time, you will have a living library of SOPs, and any of your team member can step into any role when needed. This is how you bring stability to your business and bring system without writing even a single manual. In MNC, finance team prepare rolling cash forecast, variance analysis, and receivable aging. That's how the CEO knows how the cash flows in their business and from where it is coming. But in MSME, the cash flow is only visible at the tax time. But by that time, it is too late. So how to avoid that trap? There is a simple fix. So take a sheet of 2 columns. On the left, it's expected inflow. On the right, it's expected outflow. Mark everything on time in green. If expected delay, put it yellow. And if it is stuck, mark it red. Review this with your team every week, 30 minutes, and then you will have a better control over your cash flow and no more last minute nasty surprises for you. Next system is customer and market intelligence. Corporate use these terms: customer analytics, competitor benchmarking, and feedback loop. They never wait for sales to drop before to act. In MSME, they get the complaints from customer over WhatsApp or a phone call, and competitors' moves are noticed when it is already too late. So how to fix that? It's a simple system. Take a sheet with 3 columns, mark complaint, fix, and prevention. Keep that tracker active and live always. On your competitor side, go through their website, social media, or a trade show once in a month. With your team, in your meetings, ask your team member to update for 5 minutes what's happening in the market. This system gives you a closer look at your competition and keep you close for your customer. Here is the bottom line. Corporates don't scale because of people, they scale because of system. And once you start using one of these systems, any of these 5 systems, you will also start building up the scale ready business, the CEO dashboard that will actually give you the true clarity and will save you from burning out from daily chaos. So if you like this content, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because in my future videos, I will continue to decode MNC secrets that into actionable steps that your business can use. And if there is a particular system you want to decode, let me know in comments, and maybe the next video will be about that.